Logic specializes in direct-to-equipment fueling, also known in the industry as wet hosing. Our certified fuel experts come to your site at night and fill all of your trucks and equipment as often as you need. Logic is open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and 365 days a year, so you never have to worry about an empty tank. There are too many hidden costs when you leave refueling to your employees. You can avoid these costs entirely by having Logic fill your tanks with diesel, DEF, and gasoline. Logic stands above the competition as we can service over 80% of the continental 48 with diesel. But not only diesel, we deliver DEF in most metropolitan areas, and now, due to industry advancements, can deliver gasoline as well. Whether you have a large fleet of trucks, generators, or a small delivery vehicle fleet, Logic can save you time and money and give you peace of mind with our reliable, round-the-clock fuel delivery services.